Are you tired of dark spots and discolorations that compromise the appearance of your skin? At the Liren Science Laboratory, we have developed a solution, the Derma Pigment Control line. It is designed to effectively restore an even skin tone and a healthy, radiant glow. Did you know that discolorations can have various causes? It may occur after sun exposure, hormonal fluctuations, or even following aesthetic procedures. Regardless of the cause, the mechanism remains similar. The skin activates melanogenesis, leading to excess melanin that accumulates within the epidermis and forms visible dark spots. This is where targeted skincare makes a difference. Enriched with carefully selected active ingredients, our products can interfere with the process at multiple stages, from the initial stimulation of melanin synthesis to its accumulation in the epidermal cells. The result? A more even, luminous complexion with a visibly reduced tendency to develop new discolorations. In the Derma Pigment Control line, you will find everything you need for a comprehensive routine targeting hyperpigmentation. The entire line is based on the alpha-white complex, a unique blend of active ingredients that work effectively at different stages of the formation of hyperpigmentation. Alpha-arbutin reduces the activity of tyrosinase, the key enzyme responsible for melanin production, preventing the formation of new dark spots. Niacinamide blocks the transfer of melanin from melanocytes to keratinocytes, reducing its visibility. The acid cocktail accelerates skin renewal by exfoliating the outer layer and removing pigmented cells, revealing a more even complexion. Discover advanced care that helps prevent discolorations. In vivo studies confirm the efficacy of the Derma Pigment Control line. After just 2 weeks, hyperpigmentation becomes visibly reduced and the skin reveals a brighter, healthier appearance. Find your bright side with Derma Pigment Control.